If you're encountering there was an error saving to camera roll issue when trying to save photos or videos from social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, or it can be quite frustrating. This usually indicates a problem with the app's permissions or storage settings on your iPhone. Here are steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Solution 1: check app permissions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the app. Find out the apps that are able to save photos from. You can be Facebook, WhatsApp, or any others. Select the apps, tap Photo, select Full Access. Solution 2: free up storage space. Open the Settings app, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage. Check if you have enough available storage. If your storage is almost full, consider deleting unnecessary apps, photos, or videos to free up space. After freeing up some space, try saving the media again. Solution 3: remove restriction. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to disable that. Solution 4: delete the apps and reinstall it. Tap and hold the apps, tap Delete. After that, open App Store, find out the apps, reinstall it. After that, restart your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the there was an error saving to kick. By following these steps, you should be able to fix there was an error saving to camera roll issue on your iPhone. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to the app's support or Apple support for further assistance.